We give it all that we got.
Like, let's do these. But first, let me show you all these cute polishes that Madam Glam sent me. Welcome back to my channel, and hello, hey, if you're new, I am Lashay, your polygel girly. We're starting off with Wet Bandit, which is like a slate blue color, and I really love all the colors that they sent me because I feel like they're perfect for layering. And look at this beautiful effect once I hit it with that magnet and cured it. Wow. And next we have the holographic cat eye, which is a holographic, silvery, iridescent looking cat eye gel. I don't have specific inspiration for the set that I'm gonna do, but you guys know how much I love my duckies. Everybody's not a fan of duckies. I feel like you either love them or hate them, but I love them, so we're gonna do some duckies today. Okay, look at these colors, like, I'm so in love. And these magnets are from TEMU. I am going to have them linked below. Guys, Parisian Night is so pigmented and so sexy. Like, it's such a sultry color. Like, I really have never seen a color like this. Look at how that came out, guys. Amazing. Just amazing. These colors really stick out the most. Like, out of all the colors that I layered, the colors that people kept asking me about were the Parisian Nights and the Northern Lights. And you guys, please do not hesitate to use my code BLASHAY35 for money off of your Madam Glam purchases. And these duck tips are linked below. I love all my products, so you guys know I'm putting you on. Okay, so you guys know the drill. I am applying my base coat so that I can lay my polygel. The color that I'm using today is one of my MOROVAN colors. I'm gonna have a link below because I can't remember it off the top of my head. Yeah, so I am down to just using the stick only to do my polygel application. I do whip out the brush sometimes, like if I'm doing an ombre, or I don't know if the polygel is working better with the brush, you know, if it's working okay with the brush, but usually I use the stick for like the whole application. So yeah, we're just working through this set so we can go on and do these cat eye duck Frenchies. Yeah. And guys, I got so better at building my apex, and just my application time went up. I'm so excited about that. At last to my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I get you right in my space, but I need it, baby, I'm late, but my favorite part is definitely thumb application. It's just so satisfying. The polygel looks like it's trying to run off of the nail, but I promise I have this under control. And I kind of don't like using a whole bunch of polygel anymore. I feel like I used to use too much, and I get way less like bubbles and what are those? Like, you know, when you go to dry the nail and it doesn't fully cure, like the polygel pimples, the polygel bubbles, I get less of those. I get less bubbles on my surface. You know, I just think it's better to start out with less and add on versus using a big glob of polygel, because that doesn't help you keep control, you know. And I also like to push in my free edge when I do duck nails, just to like help out with the shape and the structure. Here I am removing my sticky layer so I can go and begin with my hand file and my drill. I'm using a 180 grit file and an 80 grit file as well. I like to use my files to take off some of the bulk as well as refine the shape, because sometimes the drill can be a bit harsh on the polygel. I do need ceramic bits. Ceramic bits are more gentle on the polygel and they cause less scratches. versus the ones I use that, you know, sometimes leave you with more scratches in the nail. So I just like to do a little less with my nail drill and really use it to work the cuticle area and sometimes smooth the surface on the nails depending on how bulky they are. I have had this Melody Susie nail file for, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I want to say a year. This nail drill has not failed me, and I hope that like a couple videos down the line it doesn't die or anything like that, because usually when you're excited about something anything can happen after that. So I hope that this continues to keep on ticking, because this is actually my favorite. And I love going in and refining that shape on the bottom. You guys know I love a moon shape on any nail I do. Unless it's stiletto, it's going to have a flare or like moon shape on the free edge, because I just feel like that looks super clean and super cute. It always gives great shape. Always gives great shape when you go in with your nail drill and really get that tip and carve it out. Oh yeah. They are looking super clean. Now I'm going to be finishing up with this pinky nail, and then I'm going to go in with some top coat. I like to draw my nail design over the top coat because it just comes out better, like for me. So that's a tip. If you guys are wondering how my nails always end up so shiny and cute and scratch free, that's because I draw my nail design over the top coat.
Give it all that we got.
Can't focus on me. Using my Madam Glam top coat, of course, because we love Madam Glam here on my channel. B. Lashay and her sweeties, we love Madam Glam, do we not? And we use code BLASHAY35 for 35% off. Yeah. I hope everyone is doing well. We are in the holiday season. 2023 was something else, and 2024 is slowly approaching. It is on our neck, and I just feel like this year is going to be that year for so many of us. I'm claiming it, and I'm putting the energy out there for you guys as well, so claim it. 2024 is going to be our year. Like, I want to post a quote for the girls and the guys from the gram. Like, I'm about to insert it right now. 2024 will be your season of love, progress, and joy. Claim it, guys. Energy is real and manifestation is real, okay? On to the next one. We have 2024 is my season. Better life, inner peace, financial freedom, and prosperity, okay? Claim it, guys. Here on this channel, it's not just about nails, it's also about good vibes. Okay? Okay, amen. Now let's draw some chaotic Frenchies, okay? Because me drawing Frenchies is super chaotic, but it always comes out beautiful. So if you want to do it like me, feel free, but it's going to take a lot of eyeballing and balancing is what I meant to say. Okay? That was a tongue twister. I didn't expect that. Yeah, guys. So, like, draw your Frenchies like me if you want your nails to be bomb. Okay? Okay.
Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm like
That little awkward curve on the side of the duck nail will have you like fighting for your life to fill in the corners of your Frenchie. Okay? I was fighting for my life, but I was able to do it. This honestly, it has to be my favorite set of the holiday season.
My body so crazy, baby. I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I check in with you.
All right, y'all. Let me know in the comments if I'm dragging it. Like, I feel like these nails can be worn to the Met. Like, I feel like if they bought ducks to the Met Gala and they were these cat eyes, like, it's giving elegant. It's giving high fashion. Like, I really, really like this design. And it's so classy.
So I'm not with nobody, 'cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over tasted and called.
So not only is my Frenchie drawing chaotic, as I mentioned earlier, I didn't want to use different liner brushes because I'm lazy. So I drew the cat eye portion of the Frenchie with just the applicator brush from the bottle because I didn't want to use another brush. And I wanted to apply it liberally so I could have a good cat eye effect because sometimes those thin layers don't pick up enough of the product. And then I get these weak ass lines when I go in with the magnet. So yeah. So I'm mixing layers of all four of the colors. I'm mixing Parisian Nights with Wet Bandit and Northern Lights, and then I'm mixing the colors for the other nails with the Northern Lights, Parisian Nights, and the holographic chrome. So using all four to get different little effects. And this reminds me of like the Aurora Borealis in Canada. Like this one looks more like the Canadian one. Look at these beauties. So when it came to charms, I wanted to keep it in the theme of the holiday season. So, you know, I had to use these cute little bows. I stacked some charms up to make this like door knocker effect, which I thought was super cute on the middle finger. I'm using my little reindeer charm that I got from TEMU. I actually ordered more of these, but instead of the bows being silver, I got the gold bows, like assorted, like a huge pack of assorted charms. Look at how beautiful these came out, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with somebody who might like it. All products will be linked in my description below. Bye.